Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to Nico's School of Mental Health, the space where we explore ways to enhance our mental health and unlock our full potential. Today's topic is one that's bound to resonate with everyone: how to increase thinking speed. In our fast-paced world, sharpening our cognitive abilities has become more crucial than ever. So, if you've ever found yourself wishing for quicker decision-making, improved problem-solving, or simply wanting to boost your overall mental agility, you're in the right place. We've gathered some practical tips and techniques that you can incorporate into your daily life to give your brain a turbocharge. But before we dive in, kindly hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our insightful content. Now, let's jump into the fascinating realm of accelerating our thinking speed. 1. Prioritize mental clarity. Ensure you're well rested and maintain a healthy lifestyle to support optimal brain function. 2. Regular exercise. Physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive abilities. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness to improve focus and reduce mental clutter. Meditation can enhance cognitive flexibility. 4. Hydration. Stay adequately hydrated, as dehydration can negatively impact cognitive function. 5. Break tasks into smaller steps. Divide complex tasks into manageable steps to facilitate quicker decision-making. 6. Continuous learning. Keep your mind active by learning new skills and staying curious. This stimulates neural connections. 7. Problem-solving exercises. Engage in puzzles, brain teasers, or strategic games to challenge and improve your problem-solving skills. 9. Speed reading techniques. Learn and practice speed reading to increase the rate at which you absorb and comprehend information. 10. Effective time management. Prioritize tasks and manage your time efficiently to avoid feeling overwhelmed. 11. Memory improvement. Employ memory techniques such as visualization, association, and repetition to enhance recall. 12. Stay organized. Maintain an organized environment to reduce mental clutter and improve overall efficiency. 13. Limit multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to avoid cognitive overload and enhance concentration. 14. Positive mindset. Cultivate a positive attitude, as it can improve cognitive performance and resilience. 15. Practice critical thinking. Regularly engage in activities that require critical thinking, analysis, and decision-making. In conclusion, enhancing your thinking speed is a valuable skill that can positively impact various aspects of your life. Remember to stay curious, continuously learn, and challenge yourself to think critically. Prioritizing tasks, minimizing multitasking, and maintaining a positive mindset are also crucial components of improving your thinking speed. It's important to recognize that increasing thinking speed is a gradual process that requires consistency and patience. As you implement these strategies into your daily routine, you'll likely experience improvements not only in how quickly you process information but also in your overall cognitive function. Embrace the journey of self-improvement, and celebrate the small victories along the way. By nurturing your mind and adopting these habits, you'll be better equipped to navigate the challenges of an ever-evolving world. So, start today, invest in your cognitive well-being, and unlock the full potential of your thinking speed. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on unlocking happiness and living a fulfilling life.